Who will think of this type of big physics and biology book after having regular classes of 7 period? No one. Now we have found one AI powered note taking, visual note taking from Google called NotebookML. This will change how we learn. Let us have a short demo on it. First thing what we have to do, you have to open when we type notebookml.google.com, we will have this page. Now we can go to create a new notebook. Now it is asking for upload the sources. Sources can be from Google Docs, Google Slide, any website, YouTube. Copy the text. Up to 50 different sources we can use it. So let me use YouTube or Google Slides. Okay, I can use the Google Slides. I can select from my drive the functions. Okay, this is one. I can use functions. This one, this Google slide, I can insert. So it is coming here. I can add the sources here again. I can use YouTube link. Okay, let me open some which is having about the functions. I am copying the YouTube link here, insert it. I can also have PDF. I can add the sources. Okay, I can have about, okay, let me go functions. Okay, this is my PDF. So this is how we can go on adding the sources. After this, now you will see, now when we click here, it will give us a brief summary, a source guide here. So when we click here, it will display the source guide. Then this is the source window. This is a chat window. We can chat and ask the questions here instantly. The interesting one is the studio here. We can create the audio overlay. We can create videos out of the same content that we have. We can also create the mind map, and we can also create the study guide, FAQ, and we can do so many things. Let me create a generative generating mind map. I can also create audio, and I can also create videos. Now it is creating. We can also have study guide, the short note, and we can do so many. We can ask questions based on the source, generative, the FAQ. We can also have briefing document, and we can also create our own note. Here we can create our own note if we want. So it is generating. Now you can go to this. Now see what is function. Now the visual note taking is same like visual note taking. What is function? It will ask. So function is a block of reusable code, this, and what will be the syntax? See, based on the note calling the functions, then we can go to second point. I can have these are the importance of functions, types of functions, built-in functions, and user-defined functions. Very short. It will be easier for the children to remember in the exam. So this is how we can create all this. Now, if we want, we can also download this and keep it. So this will really help them to prepare. Now see, we can download and keep it this, and the children can study even offline. Now see, we can see it is very easy. So the whole chapter is summarized in one small page in PNG format, the photo format. So this is one thing. Now another thing that I want to show you. Now you see it has created a video. Now we can play this video. This video
Hey
is
everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to crack open the recipe book on one of Python's most powerful tools, functions. Trust me, if you're new to coding,
yes, see, you can
task.
follow.
It's a chunk of code you write just once, you give that chunk a name, and then you can run it
This video is
whenever you
based
want
on
from
the
anywhere in
content
your
that we
program
have given.
just by calling its name. Or program needs to do.
See,
Add.
it's very easy.
These things
Searching
inside the
one can
parentheses, x
learn
and
through
y,
video.
are the
Okay,
parameters.
this
They're
is
just
one thing. The other one is the audio. Here,
Ever found yourself stuck in a loop, doing the same thing over and over, wishing there was just a shortcut?
so two people will have the conversation about the same topic that we have given here.
things.
That's a great illustration. It really emphasizes
So
designing
even
solutions,
we
not
can
just churning out
interact
code,
with them
and brings up a key question for any programmer, doesn't it? Yeah. How do you write code that works and the program is trying to solve?
and 2%
And this
will
is
talk.
where the creativity really kicks in when you say you're designing these functions to do tasks specific to your
We
project.
can just
It gives
listen
you
and we can
enormous
learn. And we can also um, use the mind map. We can have the short note. We can do so many things out of this. So this is just an introductions. Hope this short demo will help you. Thank you.